Hello everybody. I've accumulated a number of battery chargers over the years, and all of these charge or maintain a battery just a little bit differently. But my favorite charger is this one. It's my SpeedCharge Schumacher SC-1200A. And I like this one the most because it's the most sophisticated. It seems to be the smartest charger of all the chargers that I have, and it's extremely versatile. It will do standard lead acid, including deep cycle batteries, absorbed glass mat AGM batteries, or gel cell batteries. And it has 3 different settings: a 2 amp, a 8 amp, and 12 amp setting. So I like this charger a lot, but it's got one problem, and that is the fan is very noisy. So I'm going to take it apart and put a drop of oil on the fan and see if that improves the situation. I just thought I'd share with you how to get this apart. If you are not skilled or have a lot of experience with electronics, don't take this apart. I'm not responsible if you damage your charger or you hurt yourself, but there are two obvious screws here, one here and one there. The other 2 screws, which are not quite as obvious, are sitting under the label in this corner here and here. So just peel the label up with an X-Acto knife or something sharp. So just peel the label up. You can see there's one fastener there, and there's another fastener on this side. So that's how you get it apart. So here's the cooling fan. I've got the label peeled up and the little rubber plug out of it. I'm just going to put a drop of oil in there, and hopefully that will quiet that bearing down a little bit. Okay, I've completed my repair, and it's amazing what a drop of oil will do. This fan used to be really temperamental depending on which position the charger was in. So in certain positions, either laying flat or upright or on its side or whatever, the fan noise would get louder. So I was constantly adjusting the position of this to keep it a little bit quiet. But simply putting a drop of oil on that cooling fan bearing improved things substantially. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting or entertaining, how about subscribing to my channel or giving me a thumbs up?